Good morning, dear students. As we have finished term 1 exam, so we have finished totally term 1. Now we are going to start term 2. Okay. In this term 2, we are starting first EVS 1 lesson. Okay. Dear students, as we know, all around us many things are present in environment. Very many things are present, like plants, big trees, then some factories, houses, buildings, then animals. Okay. And one more thing is also important, human beings also, and one more thing, that is birds. Okay. So let us learn about more about the birds. Okay. Let us see. So in EVS 2, EVS 1, in term 2, first lesson is, that is birds. Okay. Birds, it is very colorful. Many people like bird watching. Many people like a picture of birds that is sticking. That is the habit also. I think in first lesson that my hobbies, one more lesson I have told you, bird watching, it is the hobby also. Some people like that. Take picture of various birds and stick in the notebook. You can also do that activity, whichever your favorite bird you can take, or you can collect the pictures of bird and write the name. In this way you can learn about many birds. Okay. Write about the special or main characteristic of that bird. Okay. Let us see about the birds. Birds are the only animals, but in animals and the birds there are main difference. Let us comparison of dog and let's take sparrow. Okay. Dog have 4 legs. Okay. Birds have only 2 legs, because that 2 legs is converted into wings, and bird can be fly, but animal cannot fly. But in birds also, some birds cannot fly very high. Some birds cannot fly. They live in water also, like penguin. Okay. Let us see about that. The birds are the animals only which have feathers, beaks and claws. And you know, students, that some birds have colorful beaks also. I will show you some pictures of birds. Okay. It is very interesting topic. And beginning of this lesson I have told you, you can do an activity, that collect the picture of birds and write the names, write the information, whatever. It is the hobby. I am not giving you now activity, but you can do it. Okay. So birds are the animals which have feathers, beaks and claws. Now what is meant by claws? Claws are the curved nails. Okay. I will show you. Let us see that birds having one more characteristic, that absence of teeth and external ears are some characteristic features of birds. I will explain you afterwards. Let us see which is this picture. It is the peacock. Okay. See what is which is color? Blue and green. Okay. It is, so it is peacock. When rain is falling, peacock is very happy, and what it's doing? It's spreading its wings. Okay. And it is dancing also. So peacock is happy when rain is falling. Every bird having the special characteristic. We cannot see every bird, but we will learn about the all together, that is the birds. Okay. So birds having pair of wings means it's having 2 wings. Okay. Both sides. Okay, and with the help of wing, birds can fly. Okay, and it is having tail also, but it is covered with the feathers. Okay, and there are many birds which is having, I have told you already, which is having the special characteristics, which is having the various colors, different patterns. Patterns means its structure. Okay, some birds uses their wings for flying, and some birds which cannot fly. I will give you one example. Ostrich. Ostrich, it is also bird, but it cannot be fly. Okay, some birds having that special characteristic, it cannot be fly. And some birds like penguin also, see, you can see in this picture, it is having wings. That wings it is using for swimming. Penguin is spending whole life in the water, whole life in the ice. Okay, that is the characteristic of that bird only. But many birds every bird having the special characteristic, because some birds having that color of wings also different. You can see in this parrot, parrots, it is in green color, its beak is also different. And you have to remember, ostrich, that bird cannot be fly. Why cannot it fly? Because of flying, birds having that special muscles, but ostrich does not have that muscle, so that's why it cannot be fly. But we cannot consider that if it cannot be fly, it is not bird. Ostrich is the bird. Because of lack of that muscle, it cannot be fly, but it is having the wings. Okay, penguins I have already told you. See, it is the very colorful bird. You can see it is very nice. Name is peasant. Okay, now students, so wings, feathers, that claws. Claws is the curved nails. Okay, I have told you, and afterwards, after the types of beaks, we will see. We will learn about that. Okay, that wings, feathers, claws, and next one, beak are the special features of the bird. And beak is very important for the bird, because as we know, our daily surviving, as take example of us, we have many type of food, but if we don't have teeth, how can we eat, how can we bite? Okay, we cannot bite. So absence of teeth, birds have the beaks, and beak is very important because it is helping to collecting the food, that tearing the that food also. Okay, every bird using their beaks for various purposes. Some birds using their beak for climbing also. That example is parrot. Parrot is using their beak for the climbing. Okay. Some birds using their beak for collecting the food. Some birds are using their beak for the ripening or tearing that food. Now, what type of food birds are eating? Let us see that nectar. You know that honeybee also, it is collecting the nectar. Then meat also, some birds are eating. Some small insects also, that birds are eating. Then other type of food, you can see plants also they are eating, seeds also. As we know, which favorite food of parrot? Hmm? Write in comment box. Okay, that is today's question. Okay, which is the favorite food of parrot? Okay, okay. Now I have already told you that every bird is having special characteristic. Like that only, some birds having the various types of beak. Means parrot having the curved beaks, that duck having the flat beak. Why it is? That is some reason behind that. Okay, let us see types of beaks. Anyone can tell me which is the picture? Which is the bird? Yes, it is the duck. You can see the beak of duck. It is the flat and broad. It is not pointed. It is flat and broad. Here I have given you example of duck only, but another bird also having the broad and flat beak. The swan also, duck also. Okay, you cannot see now if I am zooming. That bird having the flat beak, but it is having the tiny holes. When that bird is picking the food from water, from that hole, that water is flowing, and whatever food they want, it can be eat. So it is having tiny holes because of that water or some other material also coming with that insects also, with their food also. That's why it is flowing. Okay, it is the one type, that is broad flat beak. Tomorrow we will take a revision all that types of beaks. Okay, you have to read also and you have to tell also when I will take the Google Meet session. Okay, now next type. See this picture, it is the parrot. See, very nice picture it is. It is green in color and their beak also curved, you can see, and it is very strong. That's why that parrot can be climbing with the help of beak. It is strong and you can see it is curved only. Okay. Other birds also having the strong and curved beak. You can give the example also in the comment box. Okay. So with the help of that curved beak, parrot can be climbing also. Parrot can tear the food also, or some another things, that is it can be scoop or it can be take out the pulp of the food, because parrot like the many food, that is the guava. It is like the guava. I have already told that question, but by mistakenly I have told you that it is like the guava. Okay, now you have one activity. Whatever type of beak I am telling you, you have to give another example. Okay, write in comment box. Now next type is, it is short, hard and pointed beak, and it is the picture of sparrow. So sparrow having the, it is very short, very small beak. It is hard and it is pointed. With the help of that pointed beak, sparrow can collect the small seeds also, small worms also. Okay. Now next is long. You can see this beak is pointed also, but it is long. Now what is meant by chisel like? Chisel means it can be cut. You can see it is long and it is also pointed also, and chisel means it can cut the bark of tree. Okay, with the help of that beak, it can be cut the bark of tree. So example of this long chisel like beak is woodpecker also. Okay. Now in this picture you can see it is long also, broad also and pointed also. As we have seen in the first type, it is only broad but not the pointed. Okay, in previous also we have seen woodpecker, it is long also, chisel means it is also pointed, but it is not the broad. In this picture you can see it is the long also, broad also and pointed also. It is the type of beak. And the example of this long broad pointed kingfisher. Okay, kingfisher, you can see this picture. It is very colorful. It is blue in color and a very nice picture it is. So it is having the long broad pointed beak. That kingfisher. Kingfisher is using that beak for what? For picking the fish from the water. It is also broad, so it can be collect the big fish also from their beak, because it is having the flat and pointed also. So okay, it is the example of long broad pointed beak is kingfisher. You have to tell another example. Okay. Now next picture is, anyone can guess that which is this picture? Don't think about the beak. Tell me. Guess the which is this picture? It is the picture of eagle. It is having long wings. Okay. Now about the beak. It is having the sharp, hooked, strong beak. Now what is the use of that beak? Because eagle is eating which type of food? Anyone can guess? Yes, it is eating rabbit, lizard. Okay. That type of food it is, that is the prey of that bird. Okay, prey, prey. So because of that hooked, because of hooked type of beak, it can be easily collect the food. So we can conclude that the beak is very important for collecting the food. Okay, so eagle is using this beak for collecting their food, and because of sharp hooked strong beak, it can be easily collect the food, because their food is rat, rabbit. Okay, now next you can see which is which bird, which picture is there? Anyone can guess? It is the hummingbird. It is having the thin, very thin, but it is long and pointed beak. And with the help of this, hummingbird can collect the nectar from the flower. Okay, so as we have studied today about the information about the birds and the type of the bird. Let us quickly revise about the birds. Birds, which is, it is the animals which having the feathers, wings, claws, and beaks also. Okay, after that we have seen the types of beaks. First type we have seen broad flat beak. Okay, I have tell you example, that is the duck. Next is strong curved beak, and example is parrot. I have already told you what is the function or what is the work of that beak. With the help of that type of beak, how can use the bird. Okay, next type is short hard pointed beak, and example is sparrow. Next is long chisel like beak, and the example is woodpecker. You have to learn the spelling also, name of bird. Next type is long broad pointed beak, and example is kingfisher, because we can remember like that it is collecting the food fishes. Next is sharp, hooked, strong beak, and the example is eagle. Next is thin, long, pointed beak, and the example is hummingbird. Okay, so today we have studied about the type of beak. Now what you have to do, students? You have to read the lesson till that type of beak. You can read next point also, that is type of feet. Now in your notebook, put the name of that, write first term 2. Okay, and write the name of lesson birds, and there write about the birds, only 2 to 3 lines, and after that write types of beaks, and write their name of that type and one example. Whatever I have given you, don't write that example. Write another example of that type of beak. Okay, all of you understood? And I will ask you in Google Meet session. When we will finish this lesson, I will give you notes, and after that I will take your Google Meet session. And that time you have to tell me another example. Okay? Thank you.